S01.
Yes, madam.
You've been sleeping on the job.
Sorry, madam.
The shampoo, we have completely run out.
Oh, they were supposed to restock yesterday.
Obviously, they didn't deliver. And what have you done about it?
I was waiting.
Waiting? Are we supposed to tell our clients to wait so we go buy shampoo? We deliver to our clients irrespective of our challenges. No excuses whatsoever.
My daughter in the UK has put to bed, and I have to go babysit for a while.
Really?
You know, Grandma.
Oh, which of your daughters?
Mamiya.
Mamiya, my fashionista. She's delivered again.
A bouncy baby boy.
Wow, that's such a good balance.
We are here to serve you. Which of our services are you here for? We do nails, we do hair.
Don't worry. Your madam herself will attend to me. She's in, right?
Yes, she is.
Could you please get her for me?
Of course. I'll be right back.
Everybody hustle.
What the hell are you doing here?
What does it look like?
Answer my question.
Well, in case you can't deduce that for yourself, I'm here to visit my only daughter.
I can't believe you have the nerve. After all the disgrace you have brought upon me.
Oh, come on. That's all in the past.
You got just 3 weeks ago past.
Yesterday is gone. Today is a new day. Besides, blood is always thicker than water.
Indeed. You can never change. You have no shame.
If you want me to come and kneel down in front of you in the salon and confess all my sins and plead for your forgiveness, I'm ready.
I forbid anyone in there from knowing all your evil deeds.
That's what I thought. So you have to forgive me here and now. I knew you'd see reason. You're a chip off the old block. We're both survivors. Silence indicates consent. Oh, my baby.
Don't you touch me. Don't you?
Hey, not so fast.
You have to give the taxi driver 150 Ghana cedis. I've been running around with him for over 2 hours. That's 100 cedis, and I took 50 cedis, got me some milk.
Please, my money.
Just give me a minute. My purse, please. And Charlotte, come with me.
Great.
Thanks, madam.
I'll call you when I need you. Hello, everyone. Hello, madam. Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Lena, and this year is my beautiful daughter, Mama Shee.
You mean she's a daughter? Oh my God. Now I know where she got a beauty and class from.
It runs in the family. We have German ancestry.
German? Du bist Deutsch?
Ja. Ik ben nein Berliner.
Wie geht's?
Sehr gut. Alles klar.
Well, I'm Mrs. Martha Ibua, but everyone calls me Auntie Martha.
Oh, Auntie Martha. It's so nice to meet you. By default, every client of Shee is a friend of mine.
Wow, how lovely. You have a lovely daughter in Shee. She has a good heart.
Oh, she got that from me as well. Don't you, girl? Can you give me something to drink, please?
I will
let someone get you some tea. Look at you! You look gorgeous.
Thank you. Haven't I missed you?
Oh, not more than I have. I actually thought one of those salons springing up everywhere has snatched you.
Where's your washroom?
No way.
Okay, where is it?
You're right about that.
Okay, I'm coming.
You're right about that, my dear. Come with me. Come with me. Let me take you to the other side.
Hi. Oops. Wow. Wow. You pick really beautiful stuff.
Yeah, I've got
You know how to shop.
nice things. So, what's the damage?
Give me 1 second. Okay. That is 3,500 Ghana cedis, madam.
3,500. Only. Oh, I was thinking to be more.
You know,
Nice.
thank you. Please go and pack those things nicely and help her to her car, okay? Please be snappy.
Okay, I don't have enough money here, but I could give you a check. Should I make it a cash check? The bank is just 3 blocks down the line.
Okay.
You know what? I could go myself and just get it. And
That's
come
okay.
back.
That's okay.
You
I'll
sure?
accept it. Yes.
Okay.
I'll accept it. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much. I hope to see you again soon.
You will.
Could I please take your number so I can text you anytime we have new deliveries?
Yeah, sure. Why don't you give me yours instead? You know, I'm sure you've got lots of customers and mine will just go straight to the bottom of your list.
No way.
So you give me yours.
Okay. Okay.
And I promise I will torment you with calls till you get fed up with me.
I can't wait. The number is 0244 026 000 000.
The name again is
Sandra, please.
Sandra.
Yes.
Okay. You've been so nice.
Thank you. And I will be looking forward to seeing you again
Yeah,
here.
sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'll give this to your girl.
Oh, thank you. You are so kind. Thank
Have a
you.
lovely day.
You too, madam. Ruby, please come. I need you to go cash this check for me. What? Oh my God. Ruby, where's the lady who just left here? Ruby! Oh my God. What the heck is she doing here?
My dear, what would you want to do today?
I like to curl it. Yeah.
I love the feel of this hair.
Oh, thank you.
Araba, please come take over. Let me go finish with Auntie Martha and then I'll take over, okay? Alan, just a minute.
Okay, dear. Sydney, can I use the washroom before I start?
Please hold on a minute. The place is occupied.
Oh, okay.
Can you please hurry it up? The client wants to use the place.
Give me 5 minutes. This is really bad. 5 minutes, okay? Be right out.
Please hold it for 5 more minutes, okay?
Okay.
Come on. Think. I can't afford another embarrassment in the space of 1 month. Am I losing my touch or what?
I hope whoever is in there is okay.
It's actually Madam's mom.
Oh my God. Your mom? I have never met her.
She's actually here on a very short visit.
Oh, okay. I can't wait to see who is prettier.
You wait till you meet her. She stole all her attributes from her mom.
Really? Wow. I can't wait to see her.
You'll see. You see why I can never stop coming to you? You always make me look like an 18-year-old girl.
Oh.
Wow. New look. Different look. Thank you.
Sweet 16.
Yeah. Well, see you all later. When your mom comes, tell her I say bye.
We'll definitely do.
See you all again.
Okay, bye. See you some other time.
And you take good care of yourself,
You too.
okay? Thank you so much. Choose. Sweetie, please come with me to my neighbor's place, okay? So sorry about this, okay?
What are you girls up to?
Madam's mother is still in the toilet.
Really? What is she doing there? I hope she's not excreting out her intestines.
Where's that? My mom?
She's still in the washroom, madam.
Impossible.
We are getting worried.
Oh, goodness, I can't believe this. Are you doing something illegal in there?
No.
What's keeping you locked in there? And please, don't you give me the constipation excuse.
He who carries the load knows his weight.
Look, has it got something to do with the girl who just came in? I saw you wince when she entered. You were just hell-bent on embarrassing me, huh?
It's more complicated than that.
What is so complicated about getting out of the washroom?
You are gonna have to get rid of one of your customers.
What?
The one with the blue and is it black and white stripes or something like that.
You're not serious, are you? What did you do to her?
That's not important right now. It's your reputation I'm trying to protect.
Look here, I don't want to be a part of any of your low scams. Okay, just get out of here and don't you ever come back. Officer Ramatu, I'm really sorry to give you this bad news, but you have to come right now. Your shop is burning.
What? What are you saying? My shop is burning? Oh my God.
Hey, madam,
my son.
Please,
Tell her my shop is...
Did you hear her say her shop is burning? Sandra's shop is burning.
What?
Yeah, we're doing it when she just ran out.
How? Come, I need to go there now. Get me my bag. Gosh, this is...
No. It's all in the genes. And you should pull it off. When push comes to shove, she's just as ruthless as I am. What a team we make, huh?
Somebody enter Kolo. That's all. Make her enter Kolo. Pass me the palm wine. Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody. Make you hold somebody. Drink and jolly. Tell me how you feeling. Is it sexual healing? Or you feeling irate? This what we dey do before we do the show. Make you move your body where the music they go.